Hello guys, how are you? MetaDudeYT here. So let's install a custom ROM on our phone today. First of all, boot into TWRP, go to install and check if you have the files or not. When you have it, just go press home, go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, data and cache, and wipe those off. It will clean your previous OS of your device, so you need to go to install, select your custom ROM and then install it. It will take some time to install, so let's just skip it all together. So now it has been installed on my phone, then I will go ahead and unlock the phone because it got locked when you leave it for too long. Then go again to install and install your GApps if you have a vanilla build. Now vanilla build is different and GApps build is different. So this is a different version of Arrow 12.1. It is made by the LYB dev, so of course it will be vanilla. You have to install GApps separately. That's why I'm flashing the GApps build. If you want to flash the ROM and don't install the GApps, then your phone won't even boot, it will just boot loop. So let's just get ahead and install it. It will take some time for around 20 to 30 seconds compared to your 6 seconds on TWRP. When it is installed, you can press the home button, go to install and flash your DFE file. I use DYN DFE to decrypt my storage, as Android 12 encrypts my storage and won't allow me to see my storage in TWRP. When you have flashed all of them, go to wipe and go to format data and type yes to format your data. If you don't do this, then also you will get a boot loop. So after everything you have done, you can reboot to your system to see your first boot of Arrow. You don't need to flash a GApps file if you're using a GApps build, or the DYN file, DFE file if you're using an Android 11 ROM or you don't want to decrypt your storage. Just be aware that the DFE file is needed to change your kernel without changing your OS and everything. So I just flash it because it's very easy. Also use this process if you're only coming from an Android 11 or have a decrypted storage. Don't use this if you're from Android 12 or anything that is encrypted. You won't be able to wipe and it will cause a boot loop. So now we have booted into our Arrow OS. Let's get set up. Now there's a known bug in this particular setup of GApps, so you have to just set up offline and then do everything. And be sure to turn these off at it, as it will just slow your performance for no reason at all. Now when you're here, just select anything and then press skip. If you don't press skip, it will just crash and you will have to set up again and again, and it will loop and loop and you won't be able to go into the OS. So I will provide an app kit to fix that issue for the security and settings app. So here we have our own custom ROM, and now I will show you the next method of ADB sideload in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Continue.